Disasters. There are two types of disasters, natural disasters and man-made disasters. In this session we are going to look about the natural disasters, that is learning theme 14 for class 8th standard English medium social science. Welcome to the talk. Natural disasters, learning outcome 14 will identify and explain the causes and effects of natural disasters. Natural disasters like earthquakes, landslide, volcano, flood, storms, droughts and extreme weather conditions, these are called as a natural disasters, right? And this earthquake, volcano, then we can say that tsunami, landslides, all these are geological hazards, fine. And flood, then cyclone, drought, all comes under a weather associated hazards. Think what could be the reason for natural disasters, how much of them is through man intervention ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಡಿಸಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ದ disasters, right? Then human activities, for example deforestation, that is cutting down the trees, so it leads to the flood, and excessive irrigation, it leads to the drought. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. You can see the picture here. This is earthquake picture, right? So the intensity of the vibration within the epicenter or mantle layer is maximal near the outer center of the earth. So there is a tremorous, the vibrate over the earth. So that time what happens, the intensity of vibration within the epicenter or mantle layer is maximal near the outer center of the earth ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. You know that in previous learning theme the layers of the earth, right? So the earth outer layer is made up of large moving plates, fine. That moving plates are called as a tectonic plates. What happens, these tectonic plates are slowly moving, fine, and they sometimes they get stuck at their edges, that is due to the friction. So what happens, that time stress on the edge overcome the friction. A stress and madutte friction anna overcome madutte. So during that time releases energy in waves, so that through that waves travel through the earth and earth crust and it causes shaking. So this is the reason for the earthquake. And most earthquakes are found in the Himalayan mountain areas. This is the landslide picture, fine. And you can see here the rolling of rocks, and this is due to the slopes contribute mainly for the collapse or landslide. And even we can say that the landslide causes because of the heavy rainfall, earthquakes and mudslides, and this is due to the movement of rocks and sloped section. So this landslide is due to the slope, mainly the slope contribute for the landslide. You can see the picture of volcano. ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಕೆನೋ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಶೆಲ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವಾಲ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಎರಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ದಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಅರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ಮಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ಔಟ್. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ಮಾ, ಈವನ್ ದ ash, stones and other gases also are spilling out. That is called as a volcano. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ಮಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ಔಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ವಾಲ್ಕೆನೋ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋನ್, ಟೆರಿಬಲ್ ಬ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋಮ್. ಚಂಡಮಾರುತ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸುಂಟರ ಗಾಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋನ್, and this is causes much damage on the shores. Example Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal, Puducherry on the east coast and Gujarat on the west coast. Then next this cyclone, this is caused due to the strong winds. Okay, so blowing around the central area having where there is a low atmospheric pressure, this cyclone causes. You can see here the flood picture, and it is especially found during the rainy season, and the most flooded areas in India are in Brahmaputra. Fine. This is the tsunami. It is a powerful ocean wave which gets bigger as it approaches the shore, and there is an enormous movement in the ocean resulting in the eruption in the ocean bottom which expels the water directly. So we can say that this tsunami, it is created by underwater disturbance anta ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Then usually due to the earthquakes occurring below or near the ocean. That is the reason tsunami caused. And even volcanic eruption and coastal areas falls causes the coastal rocks causes the tsunami. So now learning sheet 45. Sorry for the background disturbance. Activity 1. The following table gives the natural disasters that occurred in India. Name the places where it occurred anta helidare. So ಕೆಲವು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಡಿಸಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ದ ಇಯರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ earthquake in 2001, that is in Gujarat. The tsunami 2004 in Indian Ocean. The landslides and floods 2013 North India or Uttarakhand. Cyclone, that is also called as hurricane 2021 in North Indian Ocean. Activity 2. Identify the locations of recent natural disasters on the global map. Recent ಆಗಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಡಿಸಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. USA ಮೆಕ್ಸಿಕೋ, ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲ್, ಸೌತ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ, ಸೂಡಾನ್, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್, ಇರಾನ್ and Russia, Japan. Activity 3. Write about any 3 natural disasters affecting the face of the earth. So we can write any 3. Earthquake, cyclone, drought, flood. ನಾನು 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Activity 4. Write the causes and consequence of any 2 natural disasters in the given table below ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎರಡನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ earthquake. So flood causes that is by both natural and man-made factor. So melting, that is the one reason, and melting of snow, second reason. Blockage of free flow of river water, that is the third reason, and deforestation, etc. So it might be for any reason. These are some of the reason cause for the flood. Then the effects due to heavy rains for months together, many homes get submerged, right? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇವಾಗಂತೂ ಮಳೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈವನ್ ದ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಳುಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಫ್ಲಡ್ಗಳಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೆವಿ ರೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆವಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ಸ್. ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ದ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ರೇಟು ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪೀಕಿಗೆ ಹೈ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೀಸನ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಮಳೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತು, ಬೆಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಶ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. Earthquakes are caused due to sudden tectonic movements in the earth's crust, and building effect is a building collapse, cracking of ground surface, loss of lives, property, etc. That's my learning. You can tick, and we completed the activity solutions for learning theme natural disasters. This is teachers feedback. So thank you for watching and listening, and if you think this video can help a student, kindly share to them. Sorry. And those who are new to my channel, request ಒಂದೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.